Just as predicted, the cryptocurrency market crashed. If you watched my video last night, I said the market is likely, we're going to receive a correction, a dip, a crash, and it happened exactly. And that's why the people in my Patreon members profited insane profits yesterday. Today, it was insane because we shorted Bitcoin, we shorted Ethereum. We caught a 10% move on each with leverage. So some people made hundreds of percents. Me, I made about $15,000. And I even put it on Twitter when I was shorting Bitcoin. So if you guys follow my Twitter, you'll have access. I'll put some free trades there every now and then. And also, if you want access to these profitable trade alerts every single week guaranteed, join the Patreon. I'm a profitable crypto trader and investor. But here's the thing. I don't think the crypto market is done correcting. I can be wrong, and I honestly hope I'm wrong because I bought the dip. Ended up buying Bitcoin. I don't think altcoins are done dipping yet because they have pumped massively. A lot of altcoins have done tripled, 2x, 3x, 5x in just these past couple of months. Amazing to see, but you have to understand when things have pumped so strong and so fast, a 10% pullback, 20% pullback is nothing compared to 300%, 200%. So it's not a time to panic. Don't worry, guys. The only reason the market went down is because it did not have any type of pullback or correction. When they pump the market up just without any dips or pullbacks, things like this happen, and it's not healthy, it's not good. So these dips and corrections kind of get the market into a good position. It gets people into a good position. The reason for this is because that type of price action where they just pump it up, pump it up, pump it up without a single dip is called inefficient price action. And there's a lot of orders that are left unfilled. And guess what? The market makers, they have to bring the prices back down eventually to get the other side filled, which are the buyers. So a lot of people sitting on the sidelines were not able to get in because they just pumped the market up so strong and so fast. So completely healthy dip what we experienced. There's no news, nothing that caused the dip. It's just people taking profits. There's too much leverage, there's too much euphoria, and guess what? The market has to come down and correct. I don't think that the market is done correcting. I don't think that this pullback is done with, that we might enter a corrective phase for a very short period of time. And I'm thinking that Bitcoin could probably go down to about 39,500. If we get any lower, that is a blessing because we have the Bitcoin ETF approvals that are going to be taking place the first week of January. And I'm confident that Bitcoin will probably be $50,000, $60,000 within the next 30 to 60 days from now, which means that altcoins are probably going to see way higher prices in the next 60 days. Now, here's the thing. The altcoin season is going to start. It's starting now. It's starting to begin to kick up now. But the altcoin season is going to start after Bitcoin goes a bit higher, starts to consolidate, maybe head down, and then the money is going to start flowing into altcoins. You'll notice historically that altcoin season starts when the Bitcoin dominance starts to come down, which is something you guys can look at in the charts. Bitcoin begins to slowly consolidate. Guess what? Altcoins, they start making new highs. They start pumping. So we are about to enter into an altcoin season. I'm thinking February, January, that's when we're really going to start to see it. And it's probably going to last a couple of months. So here's a couple of coins that I'm going to tell you about right now. Write them down, put them on your list. One is Algorand, Avalanche, so AVAX, this is the ticker symbol Solana, Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum is a good one. Those coins right there, in my opinion, I think, especially XRP is my favorite. Those coins right there, all of the coins that I just mentioned, I'm very confident that from this current moment now, and by the end of the year 2024, they will probably at least double once. At least once. I can be wrong. It's not financial advice, just my own opinion, but these coins will probably well exceed my expectations and even yours. But I'm thinking that they will at least humbly, conservatively 1x or double 2x from our current prices. So write those down. Make sure you guys are following me with notifications on, subscribe to notifications on. But if you guys want to have access to my constant market updates, buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, coins that I don't even mention on this channel that make exponential gains, make sure you guys are a part of my Patreon, where you are going to benefit tremendously in this coming bull market. Well, basically, we're in the bull market now. So another tool that's going to help you is Algosniper trading indicator. It's an indicator that I developed that called the bottom, the top of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It tells you when to get in, when to get out, when the market is surely about to trend up and when it's surely about to trend down. So it's another really good tool to have to learn to use in this type of market. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.